Planet X will flip Earth's poles and bring forth apocalypse, says a Doomsday preacher. Well, this is not the first time that we've heard of Planet X and Earth flips. And as a matter of fact, there are scientists recently coming out, astronomers, saying that this happened in the past, explaining to us the time scale of what happened during the deluge, the Great Flood, and also referring to what the ancients have told us, that it only took a few hours for this to happen. And all havoc, all chaos, and catastrophe broke loose. This is unbended reality from Sputnik. Right before, when finally Planet X moves far enough away from the sun that everyone on Earth looks up and goes, "Oh my God, how could it have gotten there?" And they never told us. Who has been lying to us? Planet X, otherwise referred to as Nibiru, it's got various names: Wormwood, Nemesis, Planet 9, Planet 10, whatever, has long been a central icon to a wealth of conspiracy theories, including amusing predictions that the approaching mystery planet will cause a massive increase in Earth's gravity, bring about more than just tidal abnormalities. This so-called Planet X, another name for the oft-theorized Doomsday planet of Nibiru, will reverse the Earth's magnetic poles and drastically change the way the planet looks when it passes sometime soon, and this according to a conspiracy theorist and Doomsday preacher Gordon James Giannotto. Notoriously a believer that the wayward mythical planet of Nibiru will suddenly appear in our solar system before flipping the Earth's magnetic poles, unleashing wild gravity, he predicts that devastating earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis will be about the events happening. Now, speaking on Coast to Coast AM radio, Giannotto claimed that Planet X will not approach the Earth directly as it exacts its toll, at the same time remarking that the still unproven heavenly body's size, let's remember nobody has seen it yet, now much larger than our Earth, he says, means it will strike from a staggering distance of 24 million kilometers. When Nibiru arrives, it will take the planet an hour to wipe out 90% of mankind, conspiracy theorists concluded in his hilariously dismal forecast. Quote, "What's going to happen at first is we're going to have increased earthquakes, volcanoes, tidal surges, bigger storms." This is what the preacher gushed, adding that we're going to have all kinds of things like that, and the pace is going to pick up to the point where the governments cannot rescue anybody. You are on your own, and you're going to see that happen, he says. And then he adds, right before, when finally Planet X moves far enough away from the sun that everyone on Earth looks up and goes, "Oh my God, how could it have gotten there? And they never told us. Who's been lying to us?" And he carries on, urging all within earshot to mark that day, quote unquote, in calendars, since he estimated that a mere 49 days would be left until a pole shift, quote unquote, with seas expected to rise up to 213 meters minimum. I don't know how he comes to that amount, but anyway, conspiracy theories around the mysterious Nibiru have it that the mythical planet passes through our solar system on a long elliptical orbit about 3,600 years. NASA and the rest of the globe scientific community has dismissed all Nibiru-related claims as a hoax. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.